For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-350 Lariat in white platinum with black leather interior. 4 doors in a 6.5-foot box. This has got a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. It's a V8 and a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and as well memory for the driver's seat. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lighting controls located here, and there's a grab handle in the body making it easier to get in. You also have power pedals on the side of the steering wheel. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you've got your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle you're going to see any important messages. As well, there's a menu that we can toggle through. We're just waiting for that to come up for you. There we go. And it's letting us know the important message that our left rear door is ajar. So there's your menu, gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and they all have sub-menus. Your automatic shifter has tow haul, and when you press the end of that, you'll see it to the right, press again, and off it goes. In the center, you have a cubby up above. You just push the button, and it'll pop right open. You've got a 4-quadrant screen to the right top. You've got navigation. To the left, you're seeing it's trying to connect to my phone. To the bottom right is climate. You've got heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. And on the left here, we have our entertainment, and we have choices of AM, FM, Sirius radio, CD, and USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD card, and AV in. And then you can go back in, and as you see, it's a touch screen for your choices as well. When you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You have your CD player located there, and you have as well your hazard lights. There's your volume and tuner for your media, and below that is your AC and max AC. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger. And below that, you have your upfitter switches. Off to the side is hill descent and traction control, 4x4 with locking differential, and your exhaust brake, 12-volt integrated trailer brake controller. Then you've also got a couple of cup holders there. And in the center, an armrest, again with more cup holders, a place to put your items in the center armrest, and underneath you just unclip, more storage down below. And off to the side, you've got a 12-volt as well as a 110 outlet. There's a glove compartment off to the side. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and then there's the button to slide that back window. And when you want to tilt and slide your sunroof, you simply push that, and now you've got a little bit of fresh air. 20-inch wheels, 8-inch lift kit, chrome and magnetic cab step, body colored door handle, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that Ford logo. You also have backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch. And when you're ready to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch, and inside you'll notice it's nicely lined. You also have tie downs in all 4 corners, and there's a tailgate step to make it easier to get in. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and the controls for the heated seats. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the lever and the seat will go right up. You have a lockable bin down below. Pull the lever again and the seat goes back in the regular seating position. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the body, grab handles. Up above, hooks and lighting, and a window that you can power slide. Body colored bumper, dual exhaust, wheel flares, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with power scope telescoping, trailer tow mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.